All right, everyone, so we're going to do a little unboxing video here. Western Safety Associates with our manufacturer partners put this together. It's got some cool products and some new literature for you to take a look at. So first thing, you're going to see this Western Safety Associates thank you card. It's got your local reps contact information. It'll also have a number on it. Make sure you text, call, or email that number to your rep. They'll make sure to get you in the raffle for a $100 gift card. While you're talking to them, here's our line card. Go through it with our rep. If there's any lines we don't currently work with you on, we would love that chance to work with you on them. So please let us show you what we got. First little gift we got for you is from Haas, ANSI Z358.1 checklist. It highlights some of our key features and some of our key products. So it's got the Axion kits here. Those are retrofit kits that'll help almost any model of eye wash and shower come back into a compliance if it wasn't in compliance. And then we've got a nice little test kit here. Anyone who's doing their weekly activations or annual inspections, it's a cool thing to have to make sure that it's not a mess when you do that. Here's the actual checklist that tells you everything you need to know and be in compliance with for those showers and eye washes to work properly. Next, we've got some cut sheets from Viscon. Viscon has the Urbanite Wall and the EnviroCone right here in Southern California. Great products to help with the COVID-19 situation we're going through right now. If you have issues where customers need to be social distancing themselves, these will help with that. This will also help with crowd control to make sure they're only going to the places that you want them to go. So definitely take a look at those. We've got some more stuff on that on our other social media platforms. Next, we've got some cool brochures from Baco. So this is a traditional Baco brochure. It's got all of our corded products, area lighting, all that cool stuff. We've got our Nightstick professional LED products right here. And the one we're most excited about, which is this intrinsically safe one. This is a cool little catalog. It actually shows you all of our different part numbers. So right along the top there, and then the key features that they have. So take a look at that. Nightstick was nice enough to donate a nice dually flashlight for everyone in this box. So you've got a flashlight and a floodlight all in one, batteries included, so enjoy that. Next, we've got National Marker. Everyone enjoys a laugh every once in a while, so we've got some funnies in here for you. These funny stickers actually have the National Marker sign muscle on each one of them. So if you're not familiar with sign muscle, it's a coating that helps with anti-scratch and also anti-graffiti. So you can actually write on these with a Sharpie, take an alcohol wipe, 70%, 90%, whatever you got. It'll wipe right off. Cool little feature to make sure those signs last a little bit longer. Along with that, National Marker obviously has every sign and tag you can think of. We've got an easy pull tag for lockout tagout right there for you to take a look at. Now we've got a couple brochures from them and cut sheets as well. One key feature that we've seen is acrylic boxes. Everyone's looking for these. They put them right outside their facility now to make sure that PPE is worn at all times at every entrance and exit. So we can make a custom acrylic box to fit any type of product that you are trying to carry inside your facility. The other nice thing is if you're using vending and you don't have the ability to put some of those products into that vending machine, this is a great alternative. Next, we've got a nice COVID-19 flyer. These are popular signs since COVID-19 has hit us, and we've even got the posters talking about washing your hands, being safe during this time period. Next, we've got a nice little catalog, has all of our popular hitters for any kind of job site, so take a look through that. Any questions, reach out to your rep. All right, so next, couple cut sheets from a new line for us. This is Sword and Shield. Shield is a nice hydration product. These are the single-use packs, and then we also have our popsicles. They also come in pre-packaged drink bottles, but we've given you some of the single-use and a popsicle inside this kit. Take a look at these really cool features. They are kind of on the healthier side, so if your customer is health conscious and trying to make sure that their employees aren't taking on too much sugar throughout the day, it's a nice alternative. So there's your popsicle, there's your single packs. Next, we've got a nice little cut sheet here for the 348743 from PIP. MaxiFlex glove. Obviously, most of you are probably pretty familiar with this, but it's a nice cut sheet, easy way to show customers the features of the glove and what actually the glove looks like. I did give every one of you a sample pair. Play around with them, use them at home. I do for different jobs throughout the house. So next thing we got from PIP, really cool glass kit. Shows all of our companies that are part of PIP now. And inside, you've got 6 pairs of fogless 360 glasses. You've got 3 styles in 2 different models. So you got a clear and a smoke in each model here. So take a look at those. Fogless 360 won't fog up. Great thing for customers who are trying to find a solution to that problem. Melt Blown Technologies, brand new company for us here at Western Safety Associates that we're pumped about. Absorbent products as well as secondary spill containment. So get a hold of your rep. We'd love to give you some more information about them. Stored locally, they're right in Reno. Definitely going to be able to get it to you quickly and get it to you for a fair price. And we've actually included one of their universal pads right there in the kit for you. So take a look at all that stuff. We hope you enjoy that. If you like the video, please give it a like. Please reach out to us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn. We'd love to hear from you.